In this video, I'll tell you what's new in AutoVectus 2025. AutoVectus is a set of tools offering cutting-edge, high-resolution mass spectrometry data processing that's been developed for over 13 years and has been commercially available for over a decade. AutoVectus 2025 comes with some powerful improvements to make your data processing easier, faster, and more confident. Most people know AutoVectus for its ability to produce high-quality absorption mode spectra for Fourier transform mass spectrometry, but it provides many more capabilities beyond that. When you open AutoVectus 2025, you'll be presented with the familiar splash screen which offers you quick links into the main workflows. These are the two standard tools that you use to upload spectra into AutoVectus for onward processing. You can use the main AutoPhaser tool for processing FTMS transient data into absorption mode, or you can use the AutoQuest tool for uploading standard mass spectra from interchange formats like MZ5 or MZML, and these could be from any high-resolution instrument, so from a SciMax, Orbitrap, or Time of Flight. Both of these tools are designed to automate the process of opening the file and undertaking high-performance peak picking using AutoVectus' unique AutoPeaker algorithm. Then, once the spectrum is loaded, it can go on for onwards processing, and the two main tools for this are AutoSeeker, which offers world-class top-down assignment, including internal fragments, or you can move into Autologous, which is for assigning complex spectra such as direct infusion metabolomics or complex organic matter. And this includes the very powerful automated batch processing tools that we released last year. And the last tool, over here, is Discharger, and it's used for doing charge state deconvolution of large molecule spectra, for example from proteins or antibodies. But all of these tools have been available in AutoVectus for a number of years. So what's new this year? The headline improvements for this year are importing and exporting data processing method files, the implementation of floating post-translational modifications in top-down assignment, and a range of more powerful tools for helping you identify potentially anomalous assignments in complex spectra. The data processing method files allow you to save, export, and share your data processing workflow parameters, meaning that it's very easy to ensure that multiple files are processed via the same method, even if this is done at different times, or on different systems, or between different collaborators. And we've made sure the method files are saved in a human-readable format as well, so that they can be easily copied and pasted into lab books, ELNs, laboratory information systems, or reports. Floating modifications are post-translational modifications for which the location is not yet known. This new capability in AutoSeeker allows you to rapidly survey where the most likely modification locations are. In Autologous, there's a powerful new algorithm for automatically detecting homologous series that have anomalous mass error distributions or trends. These can be easily visualized, reviewed, and can be deleted from your assignment list. And we've also improved our contaminant detection algorithm that uses the inference network to identify peaks that connect into it poorly. There's also a new graphical output to allow you to visualize all the homologous series present in your data. In AutoPhaser, we've added a new batch processing capability that allows you to automatically vary control parameters in order to find the optimum settings for processing individual files or batches into absorption mode. And these improvements can be really significant. So for example, in some files, simply optimizing your apodization parameters can increase your assignment rate by 20%. We've worked really hard to make sure that the processing algorithms in AutoVectus will offer you a measurable increase in throughput and manpower efficiency, and that means that AutoVectus has the capacity to pay for itself very quickly. So if you think you've come across any features of AutoVectus 2025 that you think are interesting and you'd like to give it a try, then we can either send you a trial version of the software, or you can send us some of your data and we'll process it to show you the results and you can compare it to the method you currently use. For existing users of earlier versions of AutoVectus, you can update to AutoVectus 2025 for a reduced cost, so either talk to the team at SpectraSwiss or directly to us at Vibration. And of course, an updated license will also include full training on all the new capabilities. So thanks for watching this introduction to AutoVectus 2025. We'll be putting up videos showing the new features in more detail in the coming months, but if you'd like to know more now, then you can either visit vibration.com or our partners at spectraswiss.ch.